To create a design using the onboard computer, begin by turning the machine on. For your own safety, keep long hair and clothing away from the machine. First, select your hoop size. It should sense the size of hoop you've already put in the machine, but if not, go to the left top hand corner and press the List Settings icon. Here you can select the area in which you will embroider, which correlates to the hoop size. Once selected, press OK. On the right-hand side of the screen, you can select from any of the 6 pre-programmed shapes or text categories. Here I will demonstrate with simple block capital letters. Type your desired text. Here you can check the text to see if it's correct. Either leave it as is or ask it to embroider along a selected path by choosing Array. You can alter the curvature of the text by the bottom 2 symbols. Press Set. Now you can alter the size, orientation, spacing and positioning of the design within the frame using the buttons on the right-hand side. When happy with the design, select Edit End. The new screen that appears allows you to still edit the position of the design. Check the size of the design in relation to the frame by using the bottom right square arrow button. Now you can tell the machine the colour you want the design to be using the pink button with a spool and speech bubble. Now press Sewing to take you to the final screen. On this page you will see 6 colours that in theory correspond to the colours of thread on the 6 positions at the back of the machine. On the screen you will see that 5 out of 6 have an anchor next to them, which indicate the colours are locked there. If you've not changed the thread colours physically and want to change them, now is the time to do it. You can follow how to do this in the separate How to Change Thread Colours video. If the colours on screen do not correlate to physical colours, you also need to indicate the colour of each thread position to the machine. To do this, return to the main page by pressing Cancel. You will not lose your design doing this. Press the list setting buttons again in the top left of the screen and skip to page 3. Here you will see the locked colours from the previous screen. To unlock the colours, press each number individually and select a similar colour to the real-life thread colour. Press Set. Repeat this for each colour you have. You can only lock 5 colours, but you can still assign a colour to number 6. When finished, press OK. Return to the sewing screen. If your design has more than one colour, it will show it in layers in the middle column, with a number next to each layer. These correspond to the thread colours on the right. Check that these are correct. You will also see information for how long the embroidery will take to complete. If you're happy everything is correct, press Lock on the screen, which turns the arrow button from green to red. Press the arrow button to start stitching. If for any reason you need to stop the machine, press the arrow button again. You always need to unlock before each time you start again. Most threads automatically cut themselves, but if not, you can stop the machine to manually cut the threads this way.